size of this bad boy. Oh my God. And they fly and they make terrible sounds. And it's not over yet. Watch. This is Maryland. It's like living in a freaking rainforest. Get ready for this one, guys. Oh, this is gonna give you nightmares. This is gonna give you nightmares, dude. This thing is about 2 inches. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I should not be outside. But the first thing that I saw when I came outside is this gigantic web. Oh. It's the death machine.